Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to claim your Bupa insurance online. If you've had a treatment and want to get your money back, or simply need to submit your receipts for dental or health expenses, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. So let's get started. The first step is to go to the official Bupa website. Once you are there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. Enter your login details and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. On this page, you should see your Bupa cover details. There will be a section that says Start a Claim. This is where you begin the process. Depending on your policy, you'll see options for different types of claims such as dental claims or general health insurance claims. Choose the one that applies to you. Before starting the claim, make sure you have your receipt ready. It's important that you already have a digital copy saved on your computer or phone because you'll need to upload it during the process. Now, once you click Start My Claim, the system will guide you through a series of steps. Typically, you'll see 6 sections at the top of the screen: your personal details, treatment information, receipts, payment details, contact information, and a final declaration. Work through each of these one by one. For the treatment section, enter the type of treatment you received and the date it was done. In the receipts section, upload the file you prepared earlier. Make sure the receipt is clear and easy to read. Then, add your payment information, which is where Bupa will send your reimbursement. After that, check that your contact details are correct so they can reach you if they need further information. Finally, review the declaration and confirm everything is accurate. Once all 6 steps are complete and your documents are uploaded, submit the claim. You'll receive a confirmation that your claim has been received, and then it's just a matter of waiting for Bupa to process it. The time it takes can vary depending on the type of claim, but you'll usually hear back within a few working days. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your Bupa insurance claim online. It's straightforward once you know the process, and having your receipts ready makes everything go even faster. I hope this guide helped you understand exactly how to claim Bupa insurance online. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with others who might need it, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.